So your boss has asked you to submit the percentage of a number of employees who have registered for Excel trainings. So you've been provided with the total number of employees in the department, then the registration of employees for this training is being submitted through your emails. So this is how you go about it. So first thing, you look at your list. The first thing, if you check if there are any duplicates that are appearing on the total number of employees that was provided. So you can just highlight. This is how you highlight. You can use Control A. Okay, Control A highlights your data. So then you can go to Home, go to Condition Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, go to Duplicates. So this will highlight the employees that have been duplicated. If you want here, you can change, you're able to change the color. Okay. So I have changed my color to yellow. So these are the duplicates. So you can go ahead and delete these duplicates. So let's go to data. Okay, let's close this. Okay. These were highlighted, were in yellow. So, okay, the duplicate. Say okay. So we can go to data and go on this icon, says remove duplicates. So we can use the service numbers. Okay. So duplicates have been removed. Duplicates have been removed. So next thing, we can add to the header here. We can say registration here. Registration. Then here I can say status. Status. Okay. So I like my headers in uppercase. So just do this equals upper. My headers to be in uppercase. So just do that. And do this. And just copy it up to there. You can copy this and this special paste. And then I delete this. So now, from the names, you can see they are mixed. Some are in small letters, capital letters. So we can also use a formula here. Just say equals. Okay. Okay. So what this formula does, it arranges the names in such a way that the first letter starts with a capital letter. So let me just paste this here. It looks more organized. Then I can delete this. Okay. So here I can highlight registration, set checkbox. Okay. Then on status, I'm going to use a formula, which is because I use the if function. If I love opening the formula box, let me just open it. Okay. Okay, so my function argument box is open. So I can say if this person is registered, this person is registered. Okay. Person is registered. Okay. Give me registered here. Not an an registered. Okay, it's my formula there. Then I can just double click here. It goes all the way down. So then I can add borders, just Control A to highlight everything. So right click, add borders. Okay, so what happens is whenever I tick a box, it will change to registered. So I'll check against my emails from the employees that I've sent for registration. I'll tick, 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 tick. This one I sent, this one I sent. Okay. Oh, okay, I love removing grid lines. Let me just go on view. Make my work look clean. Okay, looks better. So remember, the ultimate goal is to provide the percentage of employees that are registered for Excel training. So I'll put my formula down here. Percentage. Okay. Percentage. So this is how you do it. So say equals count if. Okay. So going to highlight this. Okay, let me open the function box. So the range is that. The criteria, I'll say registered. Registered. Okay. So the registered are 10. But remember, our ultimate goal is to find the percentage. So we'll divide by the total number of employees. So it's a divide by Counta. Okay. You close the bracket and say okay. So you can go on home and put the percentage. So this is a percentage that you are going to give your boss. So in case some more employees register, you are able to change. This is dynamic. You don't need to recalculate this, but you can, in case, let's say, Malwa uh, registers. So you just go here and tick, and your percentage here changes to 65. So let's take it back to 59. So in case there is someone who unregisters, you can do likewise. It's dynamic. You just say unregisters, then the percentage goes down like that. Okay, so let's submit this to our boss. Thank you so much for your time.